Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to deposit money in Binance. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in binance.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, click on Deposit button, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now, if you have a crypto asset, you can choose P2P trading or buy with USD. If you do not have crypto assets, you can use P2P trading or buy with USD. Or if you have a crypto asset, click on Deposit Crypto button. To do P2P trading, click on P2P trading button. And you can buy USDT from here. To deposit with USD, click on Buy with USD and select the amount from here. After that, you need to verify your identity. If you have not verified, then you can deposit to your account. The other option is, if you have a crypto asset, click on Deposit Crypto button. For this, you also need to verify your account. After that, you need to select a coin, network and your deposit address. So that is how you can deposit money in Binance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.